Ever had a massive pimple pop up right before a big day, a first date, a job interview, or even just a day you wanted to feel good? We've all been there, staring in the mirror, thinking, why now? What if I told you there's a way to shrink that surprise guest overnight without any harsh popping or squeezing? Meet your new best friend in skincare, the Mighty Patch Original from Hero Cosmetics. This isn't just any acne sticker. It's the #1 selling hydrocolloid patch for a reason. It's like a tiny, powerful vacuum for your pimples. So, how does this little miracle worker do its thing? It's surprisingly simple. The patch is made from a single high-quality ingredient, hydrocolloid. This is a medical-grade material that's been used for years to help wounds heal faster. When you place a mighty patch on a whitehead, the hydrocolloid gently draws out all the pus and fluid, all the gunk from the pimple. It creates a moist, protected environment that speeds up the healing process and helps prevent scarring. You'll literally see it working. After about 6 hours, the patch, which goes on clear, will turn white and opaque. That's all the stuff it just pulled out of your pimple. It's gross, but oh so satisfying. Plus, it acts as a physical barrier, stopping you from picking at the spot, which we all know just makes things worse. Using it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Prep the pimple by gently cleansing the area. Second, take a patch from the sheet and stick it directly on top of the whitehead. Press it down for a few seconds to make sure it's secure. That's it. Now, just go to bed or go about your day. For best results, you'll want to leave it on for at least 6 hours. When it's time to take it off, just gently peel it away. You'll be amazed at the difference. The pimple will be visibly smaller, flatter, and less red. It's like hitting the fast-forward button on your breakout. If the pimple is a stubborn one, no worries, just apply another patch and repeat the process. Now, it's important to know that Mighty Patch works its magic best on whiteheads, those pimples that have come to a head. It's not designed for cystic acne, which is deeper under the skin, or for blackheads. And as with any skincare product, if you have very sensitive skin or known allergies, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor first. Ready to say goodbye to pimple panic and wake up to clearer skin? You can find the Mighty Patch Original right where you shop for your favorite products. It's time to take control of your breakouts and feel confident in your skin. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more skincare secrets. See you next time.